Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I'm still in Kanazawa, but I'm in a different room. We are still at the Hyatt House Kanazawa at the Kanazawa station, but we're in a different room. So I get the bonus of showing you two rooms at the same hotel because here's the thing is we loved this hotel so much that we wanted to extend our stay. And when we tried to extend it by 3 more days, they were sold out of the room that we were in before. If you haven't seen that room yet, go check that out. It's a marvelous room. So this is the King Den room, what we've moved into. So it's the smallest room that they have here. They have the 1-bedroom suite, and then they have the studio that we had, and then this is the den room, which is the smallest. There's I think only like 4 of these on each floor, so not very many of them. But as I mentioned, we have loved this hotel so much and the neighborhood here that we thought, let's go ahead and book a few more nights. So let's start right here. Here's the differences. So we start out in the walkway area. You still have your water closet here. I absolutely love the art of the Japanese bathroom. It's beautiful. It always feels like so clean. You do still have the same, you know, washlet functions that we had in the other one, and still have the mini sink. Actually, it's, I think, the same size as the one we had in the other room. So that area is nice, and it has a sliding door that closes, which is also quite nice. This area here is the closet area. This is probably about half as big as it was in the other room. And you have 2 less drawers. So in the other room you had 4, you have 2 in this one. So that's that. And the same thing with up here. You had a whole nother closet in the other one. This one has this space here. It's perfect, really. It's actually perfect for 2 people, this room. Let's go into the bathroom area. Let's take a look. This part here is a little bit smaller, but still plenty of room. Not as big of a sink area, but as you can see, plenty of room for the 2 of us to set all of our toiletries out. And then you've got your shelves with your towels there. Here is your wonderful combo shower and tub area. This whole room is a wet room. If you've never been to Japan, just know that this is all, you turn the shower on and the whole thing. That's why there's no curtain here at the bathtub, because this whole room can get wet. You can see at the bottom, there's a little lip, little rubber lip that keeps water from flowing out into the bathroom. So it's all set up as a big wet room. This tub is a little bit smaller than the tub from the other room, but it's actually perfect because my legs are not that long. So this is gonna be the perfect size. I'll still take a bath in there. Okay, so let's take a look here. One of the big differences is the loss of the kitchen. The other room, if you saw that one, has a kitchen, had burners, a bigger fridge, and a convection oven, like a micro combo, and a sink, cupboards, all that kind of stuff. This has a microwave, and you have some glasses and things like that in here, which is pretty normal, standard stuff. And then you still have a little fridge, which is really quite nice. I wasn't expecting that. I didn't know what we were gonna get. And then here, you still get the kettle and the coffee maker, which is brilliant. And then down here is an ice bucket. So that's pretty good space. Still get really nice, gorgeous TV. And then here's the other difference is, and I am really glad that we get to go back to sleeping in 1 bed. The other room, if you recall, we had 2 twin beds. So this is nice. We have a king bed here. That'll be really nice. We still have our 2 nightstands. And then of course the couch area is a lot smaller. So it's a little bit smaller than the other one, and you have a smaller table obviously here as well. But you do still have the big table, and although there's only 1 chair, you still have the stool. So you can both sit here, no problem. We can eat our dinner here if we like, breakfast, lunch, whatever. That's pretty easy. And then here, you still have your HDMI, USB, and 2 electrical outlets, which is cool. So this is a great space here. Again, same thing over here. We've got, you can see electrical here. I'm using my favorite travel adapter. We have links for that in down below, USB, and then they do have night lights in here too. And then I think this room is super cool in particular because this room has a view of the station and just kind of all the activity out in the kind of square area by the station, so that's pretty cool. I think it's going to be a good place also to see the sunset. So we're looking forward to that. I'm going to show you, let's see, we have a lobby area. We do still have breakfast, so we can go down there and grab some breakfast. I'll show you the lobby. I'll show you the breakfast that we enjoy. And then we also have a laundry room, which I have used multiple times. It's been really good. And then we also have a fitness center as well, which also is really good. So I'll show you those things and then just kind of sign off. So thanks for watching this of the room tour, and hang on because I'll show you the other parts of the hotel now. Okay, next up on the tour is the laundry room. I'll show you here in a second. I actually have some laundry I need to do. I brought my bag of laundry here, and it looks like the washing machines, so you just turn them on. Thankfully, the instructions are in English. You pick which cycle, and then it's going to be 500 yen, which is just a little over $3. You put your coins in here, and it only takes hundreds, as you can see here, 100 yen coins. So they will give you change downstairs with absolutely no problem at the front desk once you put all your stuff in. I do love that it lights up. Once you put all your stuff in, then you hit the start button, and you're good to go. When you're done, the dryer is right above. Same thing, you turn it on, and you pick your cycle, normal or low. And then this one is 100 yen for every 15 minutes. So you just kind of have to decide about how long. It has a timer running here. So with every 100 yen that you put in, it shows how much time that's going to give you. So you put however much time you think it is, and you can always come back and add more. So that's a really nice laundry room. Check that out. 3 washers and 3 dryers, and they do have these little stools, which is nice because these dryers are really up high. So, well, I'm gonna put my wash in, and I'm gonna take you over to check out the gym, which is right next door. Okay, now we're in the gym, so let's check out this space. It's not too big. They've got towels and some water and wipes, and here's what they've got. Quite a bit of cardio equipment, a weight rack, free weights, quite a lot, mats, foam roller, which is really nice, and a ball. The cool thing is you overlook the tracks. You can see the trains from in here. That will keep you entertained on the treadmill, I think. All right, I'm gonna go down and grab some breakfast and show you the lobby. Okay, now that we're done checking out the gym, I'm gonna show you the lobby area, and then I'm gonna go grab some breakfast, which is included with our stay. They do have also a smoking room right here in the lobby, because this is a no smoking hotel. And then they have bathrooms down here, men's and women's, and also accessible ones.